update review of the XBoard Magnetic Whiteboard 36 by 24 Combo Whiteboard Dry Erase. So many things that you can do with the XBoard Magnetic Whiteboard and Corkboard here. You can use this at home. You can put this in your kitchen, keep your kitchen and recipes organized, your schedule for everybody in the house. You can also use this in a dorm at school. And what's very cool about this is you can have it in any configuration you want. It is designed so that you can turn it over on its side. You can have the cork on this side. And if you turn it on end, it's 24 inches wide, so it'll fit on a door. These are real popular in dorms for kids to come by and write little notes that I stopped by, or tack up a little note or something like that, or piece of information. So on the door is a great idea in the dorm or at home. So putting on my to-do list is to tell you about all these different things that this board can do. It's high quality. We've had ours for about 5 years and it still holds up very nicely. I want to point out some of the features. There's a marker tray. Now this marker tray comes out, and you can guess why, because if you decide to turn it over, it goes in just as easily up here and it slides in just as easily down here. I really like that it's magnetic, so we can put all our cool magnets on here. Kids love that sort of thing too. Just about anything you have, you can put up here, take it off, erase, start anew. Is it easy to install? Yes, it is. We've got 2 of these, by the way. I've got mine in this configuration. My wife has hers on the other side of the room in her office desk. Got the corkboard here, and she's got the whiteboard here, sitting on the side of the room that you're on, or if you're left or right-handed, whatever it may be, you got the choice, you got the option. I highly, highly recommend it. There is a link to this product in the description section below. We are Amazon affiliates, and we do get a small commission at no extra charge to you. So if you don't mind, go ahead and link through. Thanks.